G'day everyone. Welcome to this video where we're going to be showing you how to create a YouTube video using Pictory and ChatGPT. If you're looking to create engaging and informative videos quickly and easily, then this is the video for you. Before we dive into how to use Pictory, let's first talk about what it is. Pictory is an AI-powered video creation platform that allows you to create professional quality videos in just a few minutes. It uses pre-designed templates that you can customize to fit your needs, and it even has a library of music and images that you can use to make your videos more engaging. One of the best things about Pictory is how easy it is to use. Whether you're an experienced video creator or you're just getting started, you'll find Pictory's platform intuitive and user-friendly. And because it's AI-powered, Pictory is always learning and improving, which means that your videos will only get better over time. If you're interested in trying Pictory out for yourself, we've included a link in the video description below. Now that we've talked about what Pictory is, let's get into how to use it to create a video. The first step is to log into your Pictory account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can choose the template you want to use for your video. Pictory has a wide variety of templates to choose from, so whether you're creating a tutorial, a product demo, or a vlog, you'll be able to find a template that fits your needs. Once you've chosen your template, you can customize it by adding your own text, images, and video clips. You can also add music from Pictory's library or upload your own. One of the best things about Pictory is how flexible it is. You can use as many or as few of the pre-designed elements as you want, so you can really make your video your own. And because Pictory is AI-powered, it can help you make decisions about what to include in your video based on your topic and your audience. Once you're happy with your video, you can download it or share it directly to YouTube. And because Pictory's videos are optimized for social media, you can be sure that your video will look great no matter where you share it. Now that you've created your video with Pictory, you might be wondering how you can make it even better. That's where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model that can help you generate ideas for your video and improve your script. To use ChatGPT, simply input a prompt related to your video topic, and it will generate a response based on its training data. You can use these responses to inspire new ideas for your video or to refine your script and make it more engaging. One of the best things about ChatGPT is that it's always learning and improving, so the more you use it, the better it will get. And because it's free to use, you can experiment with different prompts and see what works best for your video. If you're interested in trying ChatGPT out for yourself, we've included a link in the video description below. To prompt ChatGPT for the script writing process, you can follow these steps. Go to the OpenAI website and access the GPT-3 playground. Log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Choose the DaVinci language model, which is the most powerful and versatile option available. In the prompt field, enter a brief description of what you want to write about. For example, if you're making a video about 10 tips for staying motivated, you could enter "I'm making a video about 10 tips for staying motivated." Please provide some ideas for what to include in the script. Click on the Generate button and wait for ChatGPT to generate a response. Read through the response and use the ideas presented to inspire your own script. You can also modify the response or combine different parts of it to create something unique and tailored to your needs. Repeat this process as many times as you need to, using different prompts to generate new ideas and refine your script. Remember that ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model and its responses are generated based on its training data. While it can be a valuable tool for generating ideas and improving your writing, it's important to always review and edit the output to ensure that it meets your standards for accuracy and quality. And there you have it. That's how you can use Pictory and ChatGPT to create a YouTube video for yourself. This video was also created using ChatGPT and Pictory. Thanks for watching.